guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so sorry it's taking me so long to re-upload another video, but I'm back again with a fall smoky eye look for you guys. This look was actually inspired by my girl TaylorMade Jane. I'll link her video down below so you could check hers out. But if you'd like to see how I achieve this look, stay tuned and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you click that notification bell so you won't catch my next video. So go ahead and stay tuned and don't forget to like this video. Okay, so we're gonna start off with our eyebrows first. I'm gonna be outlining the top and the bottom of my brow with my Absolute Super Slim Brow Pencil, and this is in the shade Smoke by Absolute New York. Then I'm gonna fill it in with my e.l.f. Lock On Liner pomade, and this is in Expresso. So now we're going to conceal, and I'm going to be using my e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Deep Cinnamon. I love this concealer a lot for eyebrows and for under the eye. It's definitely full coverage. Ooh, let me stop talking. Let me just bring that all the way down. I'm going to be doing a smoky eye, so this might just be my base. So I'm adding on another layer and blending it out with my beauty blender so I can have a smooth canvas. So I'm going to be going into my black Radiance contour palette. This is in the deep to dark, and I'm using my Sigma tapered blending brush. This is the E40 brush, and I'm going to use this contour shade and apply it all into the crease. Blend that out. I'm gonna be using my Chalk Dust setting powder in R, and I'm just gonna set under my brow bone. Into this black Radiance palette, and I'm gonna be using the Sculpt shade as like a transition shade. That to buff out that contour shade. For my brow bone, I'm going to be using my Morphe James Charles palette, and I'm going to be using the shade Punch Me. It's this shade right here. On any more product, but I'm going in with the Sculpt shade and the brush that I used for the transition to blend out that brow bone shade. So next I'm going to be taking my Sigma Beauty Wicked liner, and I'm going to be applying it with I used to use this Loreal pencil to do my smoky eyes. I mean, I really could still use her. These two are her, but I'm gonna go for something new. But I'm gonna be using it to apply it, so I'm gonna be dipping it in here. I'm gonna apply that all over my lid as a base for the black eyeshadow. Next, we're gonna try to blend out those edges. Keyword cry. be going into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Prism palette, and I'm going to be going in with the shade Obsidian. But it is this black shade right here. And I'm going to apply that all over where I just applied that eyeliner. That is like so black. For my inner corner highlight, I'm going to be going in with my Artist Couture highlighter, and this is in the shade Sugar Daddy. I'm going to put that. Oh, that might have been too much right there. And that's that on that. I'm going to be cleaning up my under eye, sort of, kind of here. So now I'm going to go in and moisturize my under eye using my Ole Henriksen eye cream. I'm just going to rub that in. I can't even rub under my eye properly. Now I'm going to be going in with my primer. I'm going to prime with my Touch Insole No Pore Blend Primer. Foundation we're using today, I'm actually going to be mixing two foundations. I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Pro Hydrating Foundation, and I'm also going to be using my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Foundation. In the Fenty, I'm shade 480, and the Juvia's Place, I'm in the shade 140. I'm just going to apply that all over. My contour is the Black Radiance Color Perfection Foundation Stick, and this is in the shade Chocolate Dip. Concealer I'm going to be using is my Beauty Bakerie Insta Bake Concealer, and this is in My Feelings. I'm going to blend it out with my Sigma 3HD Beauty Blender. That is why I love this concealer. Look how beautiful it blends out. Like, I'm already popping to on my mama. On your mama. And those are actual factuals. Using my Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer, and this is in Deep Tan, but I'm only going to be putting this under my eye and on my nose. And then I'm going to be setting it with my Morphe translucent setting powder. For my blush, I'm going to be going in with my e.l.f. blush palette. I'm going to be going in with this orangey peachy shade as my blush. I'm going to go apply my lashes and I'll be right back. I'm going to be using my Ruby Kisses all over bronzer. It faded, but I'm pretty sure this is the all over bronzer. All over glow bronzing powder. It's all over glow bronzing powder. And this is in APB03. So I'm gonna line my lips with my Wet n Wild Simma Brown eyeliner. And then I'm going in with my Loreal Fairest Nude lipstick. This is my favorite. Look where I'm at. Should I do a new lipstick video for dark skin girl? Let me know in the comments if that's something you guys would like to see. And then to top it off, I'm gonna be using my Artist Couture lip gloss, and this is in Le Freak. You know, come on, shut up, people. Le Freak. Pop on our wig. Baby girl right here waiting on me. Come on, let's get flicks together. So we're gonna pop on our wig. I'm not gonna use Gotcha Be because it's not that serious. See, if it was serious, if it was serious, we'd have spread that Gotcha Be real quick. This is a wig that I actually like made myself. Lay down my baby hairs again. Contour be all the way fucked up, honey. So for more dimension, I'm going to be using my Essence Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. And this is actually like #1 Blondie brows. It's like for blonde hair. But I like to use it on my brows because I feel like it gives it a little more dimension. Ooh, my battery's about to die. Let me hurry up. What time it is we late, baby. Oh, I don't even got time to clean up this mess. I gotta put on lotion. Bye, y'all.